Welcome back. You're watching Reebok World Champions powered by MTV. I'm Nikhil Chinappa in conversation with UV. Let's talk about something a little bit lighter. You're a film buff. You watch movies. But have you ever thought that's a role that I'd like to do?
Yeah, I like to play a lot of pranks, especially on my teammates, and they tell me that I'm a good prankster. So maybe a comedy role, you never know. Maybe when I retire, not now.
Like Jim Carrey in The Mask?
Yeah. I mean, I think I'll really do it well with Akshay Kumar because I think he's a prankster too. So
Okay.
I've always spoken to him because he's Punjabi. So I've spoken to him a lot of times. Ke Paji ek role ta diyo yaar.
What's been your favorite Bollywood dialogue, UV?
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, लेकिन नाम है युवराज सिंह. Aye.
Speaking of pranks that you like to play, what's like the funniest thing that you've ever pulled on a teammate?
I think me and Harbhajan bought a mask from Sri Lanka. It was mask of an old lady. It was really horrifying. And at midnight we went to our computer analyst's room, and he wears a lungi. He was South Indian. and Bajji got on top of my shoulder. Another guy helped us with white chadar ko kya bolte हैं English में? Sheet.
Chadari bole chalega.
So we put the chadars on ourselves, put the mask, closed the lights of the corridor. We knocked on the door. This guy was half sleepy and he came out. And the moment he looked like that and he looked up at Bhaji, and his lungi fell off. His lungi actually fell off and he went flat on the floor like that.
Wait. What was more scary? Was Bhaji in the
lungi-
mask
the
more
lungi
scary or
falling
looking at man with no lungi? Ayo!
That was pretty dark. Didn't see much because I was caught with the white sheet.
Thank God for small mercies. There are actually a lot of questions that people are asking from across India. In fact, this morning I put up a question on Facebook. I put up a Facebook update of mine and I said that I'm going to be interviewing Yuvraj Singh today. And is there anything that you want me to ask him? I think I must have got back about 200 replies, out of which 150 replies were people want to know, UV, who you're dating. For some reason, this is a question of national importance.
I really don't know because I get that question asked 10 times a day from normal people. I think they think I'm getting old and I need to get married, or I can't handle myself. I need a partner. I miss a wife when I am on tour and I can't pack my bags the night after the game. That's the only reason I need a wife at the moment for.
And right now, all the feminists in India are burning UV posters. That's what he wants a wife for, to pack his bags. How dare he? But I love him. Marry me, UV.
No, I'm looking, but I'm single at the moment. I'm not dating anyone.
How do you handle, all sports people get a lot of attention from the opposite sex. It's something that, sports people get. It's part of the package. Has it been easy for you to handle, or is it something that you do comfortably, easily?
Well, as a young kid, you like the attention from the opposite sex. It's pretty natural. We do make a lot of fuss about it in India. But I think over the years, as you play, you handle this, this kind of attention easily. So I'm pretty used to it. But, there've been rumors of me dating numerous girls, which are totally false. So
Have there ever been rumors of you dating boys?
Thankfully not.
Thank
I'm
God,
pretty
no.
straight.
Yes, we're safe. Okay, now in the cricket team, there's lots of single guys there, and sometimes you go out together, and it's quite possible that you could find the same girl attractive. Has it ever happened? And what do you do?
All the time.
So what do you do?
No, it's just that, if there's an attractive woman, most of the boys will talk about her. It's pretty normal. And it's just a fight, who's going to talk to her first.
Right.
So the senior member of the team will always say, I'm the senior member, I will go and talk to her
You
first.
pull rank, really?
Yeah, and I say, okay, you are senior, you please go first. So he will...
But doesn't the junior member go, yaar, kal to tune pehle, yaar, aaj meri bari?
No, but the senior will go, but the juniors will disappear in the crowd.
Okay.
And the moment the senior is away, they will attack her from all sides.
What is the best way, Yuvraj, to approach a girl at a bar?
Well, I think it's important that you be honest. A lot of girls don't like oversmart guys. Guys who show off. Do not wear sunglasses in the club. Do not put extra gel on your head. Do not wear too many shiny clothes because that's a turn off. And if you like someone, always go and talk to them yourself. Do not send your friend because women like honesty and they like guts. So a man who goes up to a woman, talks, is respectful, she will always like it. She might say no, but she might say yes after a few days.
What is the first thing that you would say to a girl that you like at a bar?
Can I buy you a pizza?
In a bar?
Yeah.
Okay, and what is the last thing Yuvraj would say?
Can I buy you a drink?
No, I mean, last after, a few days.
I've got too many lines, so I don't know which one I have to say.
We're going to be taking a short break right now, but make sure you stay right there because when we come back, we've got a rapid-fire 10-round question called the free hit that we're going to be doing with Yuvraj Singh. Stay there. Will you go to heaven or hell?
I think I will go to heaven via hell.
Sheila or Munni?